Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Okay, Emmanuel called Liquorose his bae. The triangle, trapezium, parallel line, it have started. It has started. Because very soon we'll start hearing this one is in my space. I don't want this one to be here before it to look like it's a square or it's a circle or it's a hang on a straight point. We will hear all the shapes today. Okay, Emmanuel called Liquorose his babe, and he accepted to the fact when Sammie was like trying to address something. I was like, that Emmanuel babe now. That in babe now, Liquorose. Say, yeah. If you call her my babe, no problem. I shall like the girl. I shall like the girl. Let's see how it goes down with Emmanuel and Liquorose as they get into an entanglement together. And it's quite pretty cool because even Liquorose seems to be clinging with Emmanuel. Yeah, guys, it's also known as Maria dares WhiteMoney to toast her.
I would dare you.
I dare make you toast me now.
Let me wait to be have fun.
Please don't.
Let's see, Caesar, I don't see you like this. You know with my fellow Marine.
Marine?
Yeah, now.
Would that have been a joke? Was it real? Was it from the place of I just want to say something? But even if they call it a joke, I feel in every joke there's an atom of seriousness. And now say Maria, you will call WhiteMoney my brother today, tomorrow we call him my babe. Anything that comes from WhiteMoney, Maria is very happy. Okay, let's see how this goes down. Even WhiteMoney was trying to toast and she was like blushing already. Let's see how this goes down between Maria and WhiteMoney. Who is liking who? Is WhiteMoney actually liking Maria? Is Maria the one liking WhiteMoney? I remember WhiteMoney in his diary room was trying to tell Big Brother that he's this kind of guy that he will just come, like play the game, then he will withdraw, then later they'll be the one to come. The girls will be the one to come to him and come and start. You understand? So now it makes him look like he's in charge, he's on top of the game. And I remember when he was just with the guys, he was saying that for now all the girls in the house are not his spec. He liked tall, huge ladies. Okay, here in question, Maria is not a tall, huge lady. She's just a fair, slender, not that short, but of an average height lady. Let's see how it goes down between Maria and WhiteMoney. Sammie and Angel caught cuddling. Under the bouquet, something has begun to happen. Kayode, please, I beg you in the name of God, don't do us what you did us before. If not, I will personally give you a sack later. Show us the real thing we want to see. Okay, Sammie and Angel caught cuddling in the night under the blanket together. You need to see the way even Angel was even lying down. Are you sure that something did not enter something? Sharpener and pencil. Okay, no. Whichever one. Okay, guys, they should not come and be telling us story when the reunion. We want to know it now before reunion time. Oh, please, oh, Kayode be one and warning you now. Let's see it. Angel, is this supposed to be your medicine for your mental problem, so that you will not kill yourself? You that you're always trying to be suicidal. Let's see how this boils down as the relationship saga, the whole entanglement has begun. Okay, I still remain, and this still remain your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, and turn on your notification bell, please, as you get latest comments from the Big Brother NAIJA Season 6. Shine your eye. Until next time, stay glued. Bye.